For me, the 3D, the technology, and fashion, they always go hand in hand. Fashion is always about next, about tomorrow, about the future. Most of the craft in the region done by women, and it was like a social interaction as well. When I got the proposal, it was a big challenge. The space, the technique, the idea, what the idea would represent, it was a big responsibility.
3D printing is a technology that is able to expand the boundaries of design, and I think that digital fabrication is an opportunity to rediscover and to reestablish, as I said before, this dialogue between craftsmanship and design for the future. What we try to do is to generate an aesthetic dimension so the people became part of the architecture, they became part of our installation, and we try to generate this kind of digital dimension that is enriching and complementing the experience. This piece is representing a dialogue between handcraft and digital 3D printing, and in doing so we are generating this bench of lines that are dancing in the space and they're generating this beautiful display. So represent a manifesto of what you will find inside of the space.
Basically, I have 4 different materials to work with in this project. Most of it, they weaved from its natural fibers. I'm trying to see how those materials, they interact together. Some of it is rough, rebellious, tough to work with, tough to touch. And I kind of integrated the tele in between to create some spotlights.
The main source of inspiration was nature. It's the intersection between interweaving between natural lines, natural forces, and technological connections. So we are working with these 2 strong concepts that are inspired both from nature and technology.
I try to go back to the basic foundation of each material. Where is it coming from? They're all coming from the same habitat. And how they interact with light, with outside, with atmosphere, because you're going to put it in a window display. There's no one would come and touch and feel. So I wanted to transfer what's the feel of it by vision.
We design the present with the awareness of the past. My hope is that with the technology that is using biological matter, we can create a better future and a more sustainable future.